Worked with various leading companies, I noticed that often HR reacts to problems instead of preventing it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the esteemed FaceTime with Leaders, an initiative by World Development Corporation. I'm Sunny Pancholi, anchor at World Development Corporation. FaceTime with Leaders is a platform for industry titans to share their experiences, thoughts, ideas, and best practices in order to inspire one another and future leaders. We have one such industry leader on FaceTime with Leaders with us today, Ms. Subhalakshmi Srikanth. She brings in over 2.5 decades of expertise in nurturing talent within industry-leading organizations. As a strategic architect and certified POSH prevention of sexual harassment trainer, she champions diversity and fosters inclusive environments that thrives across diverse cultures. Having accumulated years of experience in human resource at esteemed IT companies, her honed expertise has culminated in the form of Velocida Private Limited, a company founded by her, whereby she gives her invaluable service in the capacity of its Chief Executive Officer, an entity accredited by Startup India and ISO. Welcome to FaceTime with Leaders, Ms. Subhalakshmi.
Thank you, Mr. Sunny. Thanks for the warm invitation. It's an honor to be featured alongside esteemed leaders. These kind of FaceTime initiatives really foster knowledge sharing experiences and helps in shaping the future of business. Thank you once again.
Okay, so to begin with, by now our viewers must be curious to know about your career journey so far.
Having 27 plus years of experience in HR, my journey began cultivating talent within leading IT firms. Recognizing the growing needs for holistic HR solutions, I founded Velocida. Today, we empower organizations through a comprehensive suite of services, from building an inclusive culture to strategic leadership development.
All right. So continuing our conversation, how and when did you feel the need to venture into entrepreneurship, and what opportunities did you see, concerns you wanted to address, or the niche you wanted to fill with Velocida Private Limited?
Having worked with various leading companies, I noticed that often HR reacts to problems instead of preventing it. I founded this organization because I wanted my organization, Velocida, to become a proactive partner than a vendor. We handle everything related to employees, from making sure things are fair with them, like our POSH programs, to helping them grow through our leadership programs and value-added services in hiring a right talent. We stand out because we tailor our services to each organization's specific needs.
All right, that sounds interesting. All right, so moving ahead, what advice would you like to give our viewers who are future leaders of the corporate world?
Future obviously belongs to the leaders who champion human potential. My advice or submission is invest in human intelligence, foster trust, and building a high-performing, diverse team. You also need to keep learning new things all the time because the world is changing almost every day.
All right, so Ms. Shrikanth, what are some measures you have taken to foster inclusive environments that thrive across cultures? That is part A. And what led your interest in corporate governance?
Yeah, that's an interesting question, Mr. Sunny. Yes, we go beyond compliance. Velocida goes beyond the compliance. We create an inclusive environment by having people from diverse culture learning from each other and by offering training programs that recognizes unconscious bias. This makes everyone feel safe and comfortable. It also helps them to do the work better. My interest in corporate governance stems from its role in ensuring responsible leadership, which is key to every organization in creating a diverse and sustainable company.
Okay, so before we conclude our discussion on ESG and corporate governance, our viewers would like to know, as an ESG and corporate governance expert, what values do you bring to the table?
I believe in ethics. And as a champion of ethical practice, I understand the power of ESG. And my experience in talent development translates seamlessly into building high-performing team that prioritizes ESG goals. Additionally, I leverage my POSH expertise to ensure safe and respectful workplace, which is fundamental to a strong ESG framework.
Absolutely, Mr. Khan. All right, so moving ahead, let's discuss technology and its impact on your professional landscape. So here is my question to you. What are some of the most remarkable changes you expect to see in the corporate world with the advent of technology like IoT, AI, ML, blockchain, cloud, digital twin, and Web 3.0?
The future work is all about human-machine collaboration, and be it AI, big data, ML plays a very vital role. AI can help, at least in my area of business I'm talking about, AI helps in streamlining HR processes, while big data can help find right talents. However, as a human resource specialist, I feel the human element remains paramount. Leaders must leverage these advancements to empower people and unlock their full potential.
Shrikanth, thank you for sharing such amazing insights into different subjects. So here we are with our last question of the session. We are building a community of industry magnates. The move is meant for cross-pollination of knowledge and building a knowledge-sharing community of corporate giants and industry experts. So what are your thoughts about these initiatives taken by Mr. Zishan Pathan, Mr. Hebul Mehta, and the team of World Development Corporation?
Undoubtedly, this initiative is a game changer. By fostering knowledge exchange among industry leaders, we can collectively address complex challenges. Not just that, we can also accelerate innovation. I'm truly honored to be part of this forward-thinking community, and I thank your team for that.
Great. It was fantastic conversing with you, and I'm confident that your insights will inspire future leaders. Thank you, Ms. Shrikanth, for joining us today. Wish you the best for your future endeavors.
My absolute pleasure, Mr. Sunny. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and have a nice day.